Hey guys, Happy New Year! Welcome back to Safford and Saifa's channel. Our first dinosaur of 2025 is a Pteranodon. We will be unboxing the new Chaos Theory Pteranodon, but first things first is we have the Dino Rivals, the classic one right here, and the Amber Collection Pteranodon. It came with a stand. Okay guys, there you go. It's still beautiful. It really looks like a Hammond collection. It has a hole in the bottom to put where the stand, right there. You can take it off. There you have it. It has plenty of articulation, guys. It's pretty cool. There you have it. And this Dino Rival here, pretty much you just fold the wings like that. It has doesn't have a sound, but there's the DNA scan for you guys. Okay, you push this button, the mouth opens up or closes, and then the wings is for this one. It flaps. There you go. Alright guys, so you see the difference of the Amber Collection and the Dino Rivals. It's pretty much almost the same size, but the body's a little bigger on the Dino Rivals. But you can tell this one is more accurate. It's an Amber Collection. Alright, now let's go to the Jurassic World Chaos Theory Pteranodon. Our first review for 2025. Here it is. Alright guys, still sealed. Let's open it up. Alright guys, haven't logged in a while, got busy. Alright, let's check it out. Let's see the improvements. Looks like the wings are pretty much better. It's like all tattered now, looks better. Let's check the back. Alright, we already have all of these. This one has the Giganotosaurus symbol. Okay, it says control the attack. Okay, let's unbox it. Alright. This looks like a chunky Pteranodon here. Uh-oh. How do I get this out? Okay. Okay, got him out. There you have it. Oh, there's like rubber bands in the wings. Oh, okay, there's a sound. Nice. You can even hear the flapping of the wings. Okay. Yeah. So there you have it. Wow, look at the wings on this guy. The wingspan. Okay, so let's check the DNA scan for you guys. There you go. Only one button. You push that button, it makes a sound. There's the sound from the battery part. Look at all the battle scars on this guy. On its chest. There's some of the wings all tattered. Wow. Also on its beak. You guys can see that? There you are. Scars. On its crest, there's a scar like an X over there. Yeah, you guys see that? On its back as well. Look at that. Nicely done by Mattel here. It also has scars on the legs a bit. Yeah. On its belly. Nice. So yeah, let's compare to the Dino Rivals, which is who has a longer wingspan. Oh, I see it's still the Dino Rival, I guess. Look at that. The body seems okay, so the legs you can move the legs now. Unlike the Dino Rival, you can't really move it, just to turn it, I guess. There you go. Yeah, no tattered for this guy, no battle scars whatsoever. Yeah, Mattel's into battle scars these days. Making it better. Look at the beak right there. And there's scars. There you go. Going down. Nice. A nice piece. That is why I grabbed another one. It just came last night, guys. It was delivered last night. So this one right here, I'm gonna make it into a hybrid. We're gonna fuse it. Okay, we're gonna do some surgery the next few days. We got time. So yeah, there you have it for today, guys. You guys have a good one now. Okay, there you have it. I don't know if you guys saw that. There's a squirrel in the back there, but anyways, back to our topic. Yep, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Let's compare to the Amber collection. Of course, this... Oh, the Amber collection has a wider wingspan. Look at that. Huh. Compared to the Chaos Theory. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And Happy New Year again. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, thank you. You guys have a good weekend now. Okay. Bye for now.